In this video, we'll show you how you can quickly and easily delete a video from your YouTube channel. Are you looking to clean up your YouTube channel and remove a video that you no longer want to be public? You can delete a video in just a few simple steps, and the process is the same for both iOS and Android devices. We'll do this in the official YouTube application, since I assume you don't have the YouTube Studio installed. The very first step is to open your YouTube mobile app and make sure you are logged into your YouTube account. Now let's go over to our video list. So we'll tap on the library button at the bottom right corner and then select the Your Videos section. This is gonna open a list of all the videos I have uploaded on my channel, and let's find a video which we want to delete. When you find the video, simply tap on the three dots at the right side, and this menu will show up with a bunch of different options. Now click on the Delete button and simply confirm your decision. Keep in mind that, once you delete the video from your YouTube channel, you won't be able to get it back. The decision is permanent, so if you are not sure in your decision, keep a backup of the video on your phone or PC. But that's essentially it, everyone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.